Students, last session we had discussed about there are two important families in Rajaput dynasty. One is Gujjara Pratyara, second one is Garhwalas. So in this session we are discussing next other important families. They came in Rajaput dynasty and they started to rule, and they also given some of the contribution. So which are the families that only we are discussing in this session? Okay, in that third important family in Rajaput dynasty, that is here Paramaras. So when they came, this Paramara dynasty in Rajaput family or in North India, so after the decline of Gujjara Pratyara family, means first family of Rajaput dynasty, after the demolish or decline of Gujjara Pratyara family, one of the new family arrived or replaced in that particular place, that is Paramaras. So before that, what they did in that family before the when they started to Gujjara Pratyara family, in that time this family, what was the work they did or how they came, these are the history. If you want to know, means they are saying in the reader book, in reader book also they already mentioned. If you can see, they are given before that, before the establishment of this dynasty, Paramara dynasty, in this family is a fiduciary ruler of, they given Rashtrakutas. Means before that, in this family under the control of Rashtrakutas. So Rashtrakuta family, they took control of in this family, means Paramaras family. So when Gujjara Pratyara family became weak, when they declined, after this family became a powerful in North India and they established by their dynasty, that is Paramaras. Now we have understood how Paramaras they came to rule. So now next we want to know who are the important kings they came or which place they adapted as the capital. These are the matters we want to discuss. Here they given, first of all, they adapted capital as a Dharanagar. Dharanagar, Paramaras they adapted as a capital. And here also we can see some important kings. One of the important person they given, Bhoja, is the one of the famous king or most powerful king in Paramaras. And he extended the dynasty. How they extended means he defeated by Kalyani Chalukyas, Gangas and Kalinga of northern Konkans. These are the regions he defeated and extended by their dynasty. Who? Bhoja. Bhoja he defeated by Kalyana, means Kalyani of Chalukyas, Gangas of Kalinga and northern Konkans. In these three families he defeated and he extended by their dynasty. After that, here they given Bhoja in knowing how to rule. If any problems, any situations, critical situations, if started in our region or in our dynasty, how we can solve, he have that much of ability. So he solves so many of things. And here they given, so that's why we can see these are the information we can see in Paramaras literature works. They written, who are famed in that time scholars, they written about the administrative system of Paramaras, or especially Bhoja. If any critical situations, how Bhoja solved. So these are the matters also we can see. Not only this one, he is one of the important poet. He also written some of the poems. So after that, who are kings came after the rule of Bhoja, means Bhoja is one of the important king. After that, who are they came to rule in Paramaras family, they are not that much of powerful kings or that much of powerful persons. So after that, this Paramara dynasty is declined. So these are the important matters about Paramaras. Paramaras means we want to know first of all how they came to power. First of all, they are under the control of Rashtrakutas. That only we are saying fiduciary kings. Means under the control of Rashtrakutas. After when Gujjara Pratyara family declined or demolished, after they settled in North India and established by the Paramaras families. After that, one of the important king came, that is Bhoja. He defeated by Kalyan of Chalukyas and Gangas of Kalinga and northern Konkan's regions, and he settled and extended the dynasty. Not only is one of the important scholar, you know any situations how to face. He solved so many of problems in that particular region. And next, not only is there that much of achievement of Bhoja, is one of the important poet. He written so many of poems. So after that, there is no powerful kings in that particular place, means in Paramaras. So Paramara dynasty declined. These are the important matters about Paramaras. So after the Paramaras, here another important family also came in Rajaput dynasty, that is Solankis. Solankis also one of the important dynasty in Rajaput family. So who is the founder of Solankis? Here they given Mularaja first. Mularaja first is the founder of Solankis dynasty, and who is famous king of in this dynasty? Bhima one or Bhima first. Mularaja first founder, Bhima first famous king of Solankis family, and but is one of the failure of Bhima's first. Is a famous king, but he also did some of the failure also we can see about the Bhima first. One of the important that is in one of the important failure of Bhima first, that is when Turkey king of Muhammad Ghazini, when he came to India to capture some of the place or to battle against Indian dynasty. So in that time, he did not protect the temple of Somanatha. So this is one of the important failure of Bhima first. So as a result, Muhammad Ghazini, he destroyed the temple of Somanatha. This is also one of the important matter about Solankis family. After that, one of the important person came, that is Mularaja II and Veeradwala. These also important kings, or they also good administrator of in this family, means in Solankis family. Here they came Mularaja II. He defeated by Muhammad Ghazini near Mount Abu. This was one of the important achievement of Mularaja II. After that, here they given, here also they in this family, means Solankis family, they given support to literature works. They given encouragement. So in that based, some of the important writers they arrived and they written some of the books. For example, Jain scholars, they came in this period. One of the important person, Amy Chandra, he written one of the dictionary, Prakritic dictionary, that is Desi Mala. This is one of the important contributions of Solankis family. After that, how this one dynasty is declined. This only important matters about Solankis. One is founder is Mularaja first. Famous king, Bhima first, but he did one of the mistake that also you already knowing. After that, Mularaja II is one of the capable king. He effectively ruled. He battled against Muhammad Ghazini and defeated in Mount Abu. And another also important person came, that is Veeradwala, is one of the important king in this particular dynasty. After that, Mularaja, here they given some of the importance about literature also, means encouraged literature. So one of the important contribution, Amy Chandra, he composed or written a dictionary in Prakritic dictionary. That book name is Desi Mala. These are the important matters about Solankis. Now we want to know how this dynasty declined. Which dynasty? Solankis. How this dynasty declined. So because of here they given, there are two important persons. One is Ulugh Khan. Second one is, here they given Nasrat Khan. One is Ulugh Khan. Second one is Nasrat Khan. These two members also military general of Alauddin Khilji. Is one of the important king. He came in Khilji family. Is one of the important king. That person name is Alauddin Khilji. In that family, they came is in that court there came two important military generals. One is Ulugh Khan. Second one is Nasrat Khan. These two person, they battled against Solankis family and they defeated. Means on that time, who is ruled by Solankis? Here the given person name is Karnadeva. Karnadeva, when they started to rule, in that time only there are two important military generals. They came and they battled against Solanki's family. So on that time, in not protect their particular dynasty, and they defeated. So on this based, this Solanki's family after that under the control of Delhi Sultanates, means part of Delhi Sultans, they took in that particular dynasty. So these are the important matters about Solankis. How this dynasty defeated? There are two important persons. One is, here they given, Ulugh Khan. Second one is Nasrat Khan. Is a military general of Alauddin Khilji. They battled against Karnadeva, but they lost the battle. So on this, as a result, Delhi Sultans, they adopted one of the part of Delhi kingdom, which place Solankis. So these are the important matters about two important families. Next class we can discuss another two important families in Rajaput dynasty. Okay, thank you.